was Arjun. The guy messed us up. Nakakawang ka no? Ano siya?
Naiinis lang ako. Hindi ka getting those like weird shots.
Balik ka na. China's playing well. Pop in the water. The water bottle. Yes ka na?
Oo, wala.
Ingat, bye-bye. Bye. Okay.
What does the game on to? Huh? It was like 21, 18 something percent. No, we lost the first set. And then second set it was like 24-23. 25-23.
Not bad. Let's get you fix your stuff now. Fix what?
What's up? I got like 2 fucking Just go. You gotta eat. I'm gonna try.
You have to eat still. You pay for No. What's this for? Tayo.
Uy, that's my fucking racket.
You have to go na. We're gonna go. We're not gonna get
You have to pay for the kato.
Huh?
Sago ka. Fee.
Ryan, how much do you have?
Oh, wait, they have
I use
pay?
mine.
No, for the game.
How much?
It's 20 per person. Even me. We play how many games do you play? 4?
Like 3 games of 64.
4 games.
You have to play 168 for whatever.
And it's 100 and a 500. Just left my car.
500?
Around 10.
Oh.
How much? Where do I pay?
There.
Just ask how much it is.
pesos?
For you and I. Ask him. Say Mark. Let's say our name.
$1.80.
Palit ka? Go with me. I'll change you.
You can change you.
Huh?
You can change you.
I mean, I ain't paying for it.
I will take mine.
If someone found their hotspot,
Ask Ryan.
You pay 80, right?
Ryan.
Hotspot.
Nagpalit ka na. Yo, Migs, how many games did you play? You're paying for yourself, bro.
Damn, how much? I don't know, ask them.
Tara.
We'll grab na.
Who paying for it? Ano?
I'll just pay it. Can you share?
Well, ask fucking Migs, bro.
Did he pay ba?
Huh? He didn't pay for anything.
Who paid for his?
That's his money?
Who paid for his talent fee?
Me.
Oh, really?
I thought he didn't have money.
Tell him to pay for the. He has the fuck. He has money. He'll pay for the. Or mix. You pay for the the grab. Huh? Grab.
My mom's picking us up.
Oh.
Now?
Yeah, now.
Tara.
You already paid? 80. Auntie already done? 80.
Maybe you may play more games than
Tara. George said at 10 p.m. Can be at 5:05.
Hindi mo kaya.
Can't play a close to, but
So then that's still gonna go to school.
Rush trip and overtime.
We just followed up the. Is that 10 minutes? Tara.
Mom said to watch out for soda intake, right?
said that about you, fat ass.